can get it done. I told her, head west, real hot.
Shut up! Hi. Fuck. Shitty ass clutch. Yeah. You know what? I've tried so hard to get that to click in there and it won't. Or are you just talking about how the bushings are actually solid? Yeah, they are. That is one thing I like. The shifting on this thing is pretty solid. So I'm pretty sure I can improve it, but I'm so pumped for all the things you guys are about to say. Hey, Brian, you know this is broken? And this is broken? Oh, you did this up. So pumped. Does this red Jetta work?
No.
Is it ever going to, or is it just the parts holder?
Just talk to him.
Oh, I don't know.
I don't think they're going to run. Sit there.
Champ car? Turn into a backyard racer?
That's too rare for that.
It's rare?
It's two-door. Yeah.
Oh.
Ever seen a two-door Jetta before?
No, but I wouldn't say I'm a Jetta expert. I'm pretty trash. Like, how about this? I didn't know that the two-door GTI of my year was going to be like a thing where it'd be like rare. And I went, oh, I just got 4 doors because I needed 4 doors to put shit in. What the fuck am I going to do with the 2-door?
I was looking for it. They didn't have me around when I bought my car. I was like, wow.
Really? The guy that driver's bill is straight up tried to sell me a 2-door red at sea.
Yeah.
And now that I think about it, the price was actually pretty solid. Yeah. But I was like, no, I want a black 4-door with the performance pack shit. Oh, and it was automatic, so I was like, nah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Nah. Like, but it's faster. And I'm like, you don't know that, sir. I know for a fact you don't know which one's faster, because I'm pretty sure you drive a Cruise. You can't talk to me right now. Out of here. Oh, she did put the sauces in. Cody, taco? Did you drop it? Oh. That's why I got it.
A crunch wrap?
I wasn't sure if you were a crunch wrap guy. Okay. Now I know. Now I know. Some people, they hear Taco Bell breakfast and they immediately go, what's wrong with you? But, you know, I took a risk. Hey. Oh, yeah. I played it safe and just went with the value menu. Otherwise, I would have balled, man. Huh?
I think so.
2015, 16, 17, 18.
Year-wise, yeah. You bought it for 15 and 15?
Mm-hmm. In February.
Well, aftermarket is.
I already ordered one from it's been traveling for 3 weeks already.
Really?
Yeah. That's impressive. That is impressive.
Yeah. Here we go.
Time with the fun stuff?
Be done in 3 hours. Like 1 or so. I'll probably put my quad over there and put my sleds in. not have that.
What?
Oh,
It's sick. But I might get a Highlander soon, so that'd be cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, my parents were like, oh, we're gonna get rid of this thing, and I went, oh, hi, your son would like a vehicle if you're just going to give it away for free.
Yeah,
I'll take it. How many miles are on it? 285,000. I'm like, oh, okay.
Oh, it's free.
So I was like, it's free, and it has a towing package, so I can tow this.
Yeah.
When
And then if it breaks down, you take this off the trailer and
you drive the car home. Exactly. Either way, if I bend it on the track, drive the truck home. If the truck dies, I drive the car home.
Yep.
And then I'll get like a job that pays money, and I can like have someone else do it. I'll buy an 18-wheeler, whole crew, and all that shit. Get a hauler, and I fly to every race I want to go to.
Yeah, my buddy just sold his race trailer.
Race, fuck off. The fact that it's not like get mad. Like, yeah, I'm selling my race trailer. Really, do you want it? I'm like, the fact that you have one and then think that I can buy your used one is hilarious.
They're fucking expensive.
They're so expensive, but they're
He's
super
like,
cool.
I only want 45 grand for it.
Woo!
I'm like, yeah, cool. I'd get a car and put a bunch of mods on it for that.
Actually, with your guys' rate, you could buy several cars and put several mods in all of them. You have 3 like 10-second cars, all 2-door Jettas.
Yeah. That damn tool alone for its weight in gold.
For sure, I want one.
It's my favorite one.
Is there a Harbor Freight version?
I don't know.
Well, no, not Harbor. We'll take Home Depot Husky version.
Milwaukee makes them.
I do know some of the guys have personal assistants, and I need a personal assistant. I need to get to that level of coolness. Devin, can I just go straight out? All right. So far, we're doing good. Okay. My leg's getting slightly tired. All right. And my foot's covered in gear oil right now. Please don't stall. Ha! Did install it once. What does catch mean?
You're doing a donut and the fucking back tires catch.
Oh, get grit.
Get traction. Yeah.
All right.
I've done it in the dirt even. It's like, holy fuck.
You're gonna get dirty. Well, I'm already here.
Hold that brake handle down.
Oh my god. Oh. Nope, no, we're not gonna go that way. Here. Oh, that works. All right. I'm not going in the fields. Okay, going in the fields. Woo! I thought I was gonna die going. I don't know how fast I was going. I looked down and went, oh, there's no speedometer. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Where's my? Oh, okay. I was like, it was just here. Is he gonna check for traffic first, or is he just gonna send it? Ah, okay. What? That was cool. Oh!
Pretty fucking wheel.
That's what happened to me. I got nervous because I looked like I was gonna fall over. Whoa,
Like I said, you could let those tires loose on fucking wet paper.
That's full throttle, isn't it? Damn.
No.
That's not? I had it all the way pinned on the road.
Okay.
I was just like, let me see what happens.